How to view saved passwords on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view saved passwords on your iPhone. If you've forgotten a password but saved it in your cloud keychain, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, what you need to do is simply open the dedicated app called Passwords. Simply swipe down and search for passwords and open it. You may be prompted to open it via Face ID or Touch ID, whichever is enabled. Once you've done that, here you can find various options like all, code, security, passkeys, Wi-Fi, and deleted. From here, you can choose what type of password you're looking for. Here, as you can see the password of your Google, of your TikTok, of your Yahoo, and in Wi-Fi you can find all the Wi-Fi passwords, as you can see here. Now, if you're looking for codes, you can simply tap on here to find it. If you're looking for security, here as you can see, you have your Snapchat, TikTok, LinkedIn, and each and every account's password over here. And if you tap on all, you can find all the password that is saved on your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you can simply view saved passwords on iPhone.